What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's Polygonians. Just going to be a quick video. I have my fantasy football draft coming up very soon. I have to get prepared so I can whoop all the chumps in my league. All right, guys. So we're sitting at $1.66. We came up to that price target we dropped in yesterday's video. We're sitting at a market cap of 10.97 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.43 billion. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Recently partnered with the UFC and are being branded across the world on the UFC jerseys. All right, guys? And you get $25 in crypto for signing up through my referral. So we came up and we hit our $1.73 target perfectly, which was a 2.618. And we rolled over and we're finding support on a previous swing high. Ooh, let me drop it in here. Currently finding support at $1.65. So this is healthy, guys. Even if we come down to these levels of support, $1.59 where the support was in this area, or $1.50 to back test the golden ratio would be healthy. But I do have a feeling that we're going to find support either here at $1.65 or $1.59, consolidate, allow the EMAs to catch back up here on the 4-hour chart and see that continuation. So we're going to look at Matic here on the daily. All right, guys, so we're here on the daily. So we are a little bit overextended. So what might happen with Matic, and I know you guys don't want to hear this, is we kind of chill out again. You know, we go back to sleep for a little bit. That might not happen. We had some nice volume, so we could see that continuation here. But we do have a bearish divergence here on the daily. I'm just going to take this out. So we created a high, we created a higher high, and we created a slightly lower high on the RSI. So do keep that in mind. It can be invalidated if we continue to trend upwards here for Polygon. Now, if we were to go through our larger correction, guys, I can drop in these levels of support here. See the previous swing high? Also had quite a lot of support in this area, was a major level of support here and resistance at $1.50, $1.51. If we were to lose that, you target your swing low down here, guys, where all the support was at the 0.5 back at $1.30. Now, if we do consolidate and we hold a strong level of support and we see continuation, basically you don't have a lot of resistance in this area, so you can head right up to $2 for Matic. Would be incredible. I'd be so excited if we got back to $2. I'd be partying in the streets. Okay, guys, let's look at Ethereum quickly. So we're here on the 4-hour chart. Ethereum is such a beast. We fell out of our symmetrical triangle here. We came down. We found support on the previous swing high, and we're allowing the 20 EMA to catch up on the 4-hour chart. We've beautifully bounced off the EMA here. 20 EMA, absolutely beautifully. Went through a little correction. We lost the EMAs. So even if we were to lose the EMAs here, if we lose the 20 EMA, do target the 55. All right, guys, we are having a bearish divergence, higher highs, lower highs on the RSI. We are still having that bearish divergence, but if we were to continue up here for Ethereum up to 4368, it could be invalidated where you see the RSI start to creep up here. So we're still looking healthy in my opinion. We're consolidating as Ethereum does. It pumps and then it consolidates and then it pumps and then it consolidates. But if we were to see a larger correction here, do targets these levels of support. 3575, you have the previous swing high here at about 3359, and then you have 3040 and 2869. You can see here on the 4-hour chart, the volume has tampered off a little bit. So we might see a little bit of a squeeze, and then we'll see a squeeze in volume that will take us up to 4368, or we see that rollover. But we're looking healthy in my opinion. We're holding the EMAs. We're cooling off. We're chilling out. We're allowing the 20 EMA to catch back up to the candles as Ethereum does before it pumps once again. All right, guys. So 4368 is your next target, and these are your levels of support. And for Matic here, it looks like we're just cooling off. We're back testing support here. We're still seeing nice volume. Even throughout the weekend, we've been seeing some nice volume here. So going into next week, if we see that beautiful volume start to increase, that's when we can head up to those future price targets. This is a little bit messy here. Let me go to the 4-hour chart. $2 is your next target, guys. There's not a lot of resistance until $2 here. $1.73 as well. And then basically you have your all-time high, which is right up at about 271 for Matic. And we have those future price targets at the 1.272. Oh, let me make sure. Sometimes when I'm on my phone, I move my Fibonacci by accident. Oh, it's all good. for 4.12 guys, and we have $6. Let's move this up. $7. We just turned it into a 7. All right, guys. And then we have $7 at the 1.618 for Matic. So just a quick update. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are playing fantasy football. And if you're not, that's okay. My favorite team is Oakland Raiders, just for all my football fans. So all right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Sign up to Bybit. Check out crypto.com. Peace. Much love.